Hello there, I'm Jeanette Lane. Welcome to an unboxing of the latest Tonic Studios card making kit. So this box kit has over 140 items inside. Let me just take a moment and process that because that's fantastic. So every box kit comes with some coordinating products. So we have an embossing folder, a die set, a stamp set, which I'm going to show you in just a bit, and also an inspiration and ideas magazine, as well as some coordinating pattern papers and toppers. So full of good stuff. I can't wait to dive in and show you all these things up close. So I'm going to open up the box and let you take a sneak peek inside with me. We're really excited about this kit. It's absolutely stunning and you're gonna love these items. First up, we have this gorgeous embossing folder. So it has some nice floral patterns, gorgeous, perfect for spring makes, but also some summer makes. And honestly, in my opinion, you can never have too many floral products, craft supplies to work with. Honestly, I absolutely love florals. And what's great is that the embossing folder coordinates with the rest of the supplies in here. So we have some coordinating stamps, gorgeous, and there are over 10 images and sentiments in this A6 size stamp set. So it is full to the brim with some great designs. Next up, we have the 7-in-1 floral cuff die. This is gorgeous and you're gonna be blown away by the projects and just the different ways that the design team used the die. It is inspiring and you're gonna get some great ideas. Next up, let me show you the 122 pattern papers and toppers. These are absolutely stunning. And I love the colors. They're very cheerful colors. And I also love the floral designs. Of course, we have that floral motif, that theme going throughout the entire kit. But I really love just the fun. They're so lighthearted and perfect for making cheery, all occasion cards. And I love all the sentiments that are included. While it is a floral, heavily floral themed motif kind of box kit, it's okay. You can still create some gorgeous masculine makes, and there's even some inspiration in the Ideas magazine. So definitely something for everyone in this kit. Now let's take a peek inside of the Ideas magazine. So there are over 79 projects in here with step-by-step instructions. There are projects for beginners to advanced. So if you are feeling like you're more of a beginner, that's okay. We've got those step-by-step instructions for you. Or if you're more advanced, you can get inspiration, draw inspiration from the amazing projects that we have inside. Besides the great projects and inspiration in the Ideas magazine, there's also a sneak peek exclusive look at the Tonic Studios headquarters, which I've been lucky enough to visit in person, and that was really fun. And there's also some details behind how Tonic Studios began, so that's also really interesting for you to check out. And last but not least, there is also a chance to win over 500 pounds worth of Tonic Studios products. Dream come true, dream giveaway, so make sure you don't miss out on that. This Tonic Studios box kit is well worth over 50 pounds. As you saw, it's jam-packed with the Ideas magazine, with the papers and toppers, with the coordinating stamp set, die set, and embossing folder. But you can get it for a great, fantastic price of $12.99, which honestly, the die alone is worth that much, or even the stamp set alone is worth that much. So it's really a great value. It's a great deal. And you can get it again for $12.99. And there are a few places where you can purchase the kit. So you can get that at craftstash.co.uk or also moremags.com. I'm Jeanette Lane. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this exclusive sneak peek at the Tonic Studios box kit number 5. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon.